Welcome to COM 4920 Portfolio Capstone, and congratulations, you've made it. This is the culminating experience for your Master's of Communication Management at the University of Denver's University College. I'm Magdalena Red. I'm the Director of the Communication Management Program and also an Assistant Teaching Professor in the program. I'm excited to get to know you all as we make our way through this intense yet intimate experience together. And as you'll see, this really is a collaborative learning experience where we will really rely heavily on one another to think creatively about how to make the most of ePortfolios, the DU Portfolio site, and even the assignments in this class. The class is formulated around the use of ePortfolios and a collect, select, reflect, and apply model to enhance learning. As you'll read in week 1, ePortfolios are transforming the way colleges and universities think about learning. ePortfolios require students to make active choices about how to represent their learning to their peers, their faculty, the university community, and, when made public, to potential employers. They put students in the driver's seat and provide the opportunity to connect coursework to personal and professional goals. Here's what I mean. Since you began your degree program, you've been collecting signature assignments from all of your courses, which you've uploaded to the DU Portfolio site. So you can check Collect off of the list. The first assignment for this course requires you to select 6 assignments that you'll review and describe in detail. By doing so, you'll identify the knowledge, skills, and abilities that you've gained or enhanced thanks to your coursework. And voila, Select can be checked off of the list. The second assignment asks you to reflect on your learning. For this assignment, you're encouraged to get your creative juices flowing to represent your development as a communication professional so far, a self-assessment on your strengths and growth opportunities, and your plans for continued growth into your future. Your representation may be an essay. It could be a video presentation, a mind map, or a multimedia scrapbook, whatever helps convey your personality and your learning best. And thus, you'll check Reflect off of the list. In week 6, you'll pause to take a look at the state of the field or industry in which you work. We won't stop for long, however, before you'll be asked to start making connections between the specific concepts you've learned in Assignment 1 and your self-reflection Assignment 2 and your field of study. Looking back on these early components of the course, you'll identify a practical challenge that you'll address by connecting all the dots that have led you to this challenge. This final assignment will be a 10 to 12 minute video presentation in which you apply what you've learned from your coursework, your self-reflection, your life experiences, and your industry to your professional or personal challenge. And poof, you'll have completed the Collect, Select, Reflect, and Apply circuit. I'm excited for you to have this opportunity to make connections between all the different kinds of learning you do. ePortfolios give you a chance to engage as active producers of your own education rather than passive consumers, connect your personal and professional experience to your coursework, and they set the foundation for lifelong learning that is at the heart of University College's mission and promise to our students. In the end, your final projects may be shared publicly to demonstrate how you've met our program learning outcomes and prove the value of your degree to potential employers or even your friends and family members that have wondered what you've been up to these past several quarters. As an added bonus that has nothing to do with your grade in this course, a group of faculty and industry experts will review random selections of student work from the Portfolio Capstone courses to assess the communication management program and how well we are meeting our promises to you. So your work will have an impact beyond you as individuals. Good luck this quarter. I hope you enjoy this course and all of the opportunities it provides.